More about the hand carts here. I'll have to read that later if it's readable. Cobalt. Huh. It might be on the other side of the trees. That's a weird looking statue. He didn't charge because it's kind of weird looking. Why is there a step? Oh, jeez. Take a look over here. This area is designed to look like a spoke with the sidewalk coming out from the center. It's kind of a challenge for bicycling. Oh, and they describe more on the center part too. Okay, some kind of a farm equipment. Might be better if I just walk. lot of poems here. Alright, gotta check the hours on that. This looks like an old, they put this up first before anything else. 1937, Daughters of the Pioneer. (1937). They use all the different stones they found in the area. They know stones really well around here. I wonder what this museum used to be. It's some interesting brickwork here. Oh, okay, used to be the library. Closed today, yep, but I missed it. It's not open on Sunday. Oh, and there's a buggy. Okay. See if I can get in there. So it looks like they got an extension to the museum across the street. With some extra reading stuff, things in the back. Yeah, I have a feeling this is going to cost money. They got a lot of stuff. Some kind of an overview map. I think people live across on the other side. History of peach grater. They grew peaches out here. Weird. Oh, wow. This looks like old plumbing pipe. It says hand-hewn beam, and this is plumbing pipe for sure. It's like oak barrels. They use the same technique from oak barrels. Threshing sugar beet seed? I didn't even know that was a thing. Sugar beet seeds. I'm not even sure what a sugar beet seed looks like. This is unique. This is a granary too? Yeah, this preserves really good. And they got displays on the inside. Through this old thing. Oh, they nailed it shut. Alright. You can kind of look inside. Got electricity here. So what is this big thing? Can I describe it? Molasses? This thing? Okay, so this is an advertised historical marker. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. I got a bunch of things out here to look at. Holding together by barbed wire. They hold some kind of meetings out here. I wouldn't think too often. It's a trail out here, actually. Yep, right up here it says trail. Oh, there's some cactus off in the distance. It's kind of hot for December. Should be what I expect. Alright, looking down on the town a little bit. Where I'm parked is like 4 miles away. Ultimately, I believe this is State Street, and I want to end up on this road because the food bank is on this road. I got the address, but I'm checking out this trail at the moment. With a very old canal system. It looks like this trail is going into some kind of a cave and then comes out there, but it comes to an abrupt end with that sea wire fence. There's sea wire on the top of the fence. But what did they do? They blasted a hole? And now this canal actually looks better. It looks more modern with concrete. It was just like a dirt pile before. So they blasted a hole and made a bridge for the canal. And there's a sign over there. People dumped some garbage off in the distance. It looks pretty strong. It's got to be strong enough for... It's got to be strong enough for... Oh, it adjusted a little bit. Oh, it is falling apart. There's a hole. Must have taken a big beating. And then there's the cave, which is extremely dark. Wow. So, I'm not sure. I know there's an end. This is kind of entertaining. They really put a lot of effort into that canal that no longer works. I wonder when it stopped working. That's something to ask the museum curators.